If you finally want to get your old PC back up to speed, or you're just looking for a reliable SSD that really delivers, then stick around. Today we're taking a look at an SSD that scores big in terms of performance and durability, so don't click away, this one's worth it. When it comes to SATA SSDs, Samsung's 870 EVO is a real long-time favorite. With 2 terabytes of storage, it gives you more than enough room for your operating system, programs, games, and even large media files like 4K videos or music libraries. What really makes it shine is the speed. With up to 560 megabytes per second read and 530 megabytes per second write, it's pretty much pushing the SATA interface to its limit. Sure, an NVMe SSD would be even faster, but in many everyday situations, you'll hardly notice the difference. Especially if you're upgrading from an old hard drive or an earlier generation SSD, your system will feel like new. On top of that, Samsung uses proven tech here, VNAND flash, and an in-house controller that ensures stability and consistent performance. The built-in 2GB cache also helps with larger file transfers. The EVO really shows its strength with lots of small read and write operations, just like the ones you constantly have in normal day-to-day use. Another thing I like, the SSD comes with all the standard features: trim, SMART, power-saving modes, and even hardware encryption with AES 256. And with a warranty of 5 years or 1,200 terabytes written, it's one of the most durable drives in its class. In terms of price, it's not the cheapest option out there, but what you're getting is top-notch quality and high reliability, exactly what you want from a system drive. So if you're looking for a really strong SSD that will make your system faster, quieter, and more reliable, this one is a very solid choice. As always, you'll find the link to the best deal down in the video description. So what are the upsides and downsides of this SSD? Pros: very fast performance for a SATASSD, 2 terabytes of storage, ideal for large amounts of data. High endurance with 1,200 TBW, compatible with almost any PC or laptop, supports modern security and SSD features. Cons: limited by SATA, NVMe is faster, only partially suitable for pro-level video editing. A bit more expensive than entry-level SSDs. If you're looking for a simple and effective upgrade for your computer, this SSD is an absolutely solid choice. It's fast, reliable, secure, and it will noticeably speed up your system. Definitely check out the deals in the video description below. That's where you'll find the current price. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which topic I should cover next. See you next time.